In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a team or group calendar in Google Calendar. This is a fantastic way to keep everyone on the same page and ensure all team members are aware of important dates. First, let's head over to the Google Calendar website. You can get there by typing Google Calendar into your preferred web browser. Once you've entered those keywords, click on the first search result that comes up. This will lead you directly to the Google Calendar sign-in page. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to do so. Start by entering your email address. After typing your email, simply click on the next button to proceed to the password screen. Here, enter your password and click Next again. Now you'll land on your Google Calendar homepage, where you can access your existing calendars or create a new one. To begin creating a new calendar, look for the plus sign on the left-hand side of the page. Click on it, and then select Create New Calendar from the drop-down menu. Here's where you can really get creative. Enter a name for your calendar, something that reflects its use for your team or group. Once you've come up with the perfect name, click on the Create Calendar button. And just like that, your new team calendar has been created. Now that your calendar is set up, it's time to make it accessible to your group. To do this, navigate to the calendar settings by clicking the arrow on the upper left of the screen next to the calendar's name. You'll see a list of options. Select the three dots next to your team calendar and click on Add People and Groups. This feature allows you to share your calendar with others, ensuring everyone is in sync. Type in the email addresses of the people you want to include and click on Permissions. This is your chance to determine how your team interacts with the calendar. You can set different levels of access, such as view only, make changes to events, and even delegate management. After selecting the desired permissions, click on the Send button to share your calendar with the specified individuals. Those invited will receive an email with an invitation to join the calendar, keeping them informed about meetings, deadlines, and team events. And there you have it, a group calendar in Google Calendar, ready to keep your team organized and on track. So that's everything you need to know to set up a team calendar in Google Calendar. Feel free to revisit any of these steps if you need a refresher. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other helpful tutorials. Happy scheduling!